Selamat sore! Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Kenneth here, and today I'm going to unbox this 8Bitdo accessory for you. Let's do the unboxing. Okay, so a brief introduction. 8Bitdo is a company that sells many of the retro controllers and all those other stuff, and I'm buying this USB wireless adapter for now. Here's what we got inside the box. So this is a USB wireless adapter for Windows, Mac, Raspberry Pi, and Switch. I honestly don't know who will use it for Raspberry Pi. So if you see the back of the box, we can see it supports all 8Bitdo controllers and PS3, PS4 controllers. So for you guys who have a spare PS4 controller, you can also use this as a pro controller for your Switch, which is good since you don't have to pay it that much anymore to buy a pro controller. And for you guys who have a Wiimote, Wii U Pro, Switch Joy-Cons, and a Switch Pro controller, you can use it on Android, Linux, Windows, Switch, and Mac OS. It should be here, and Mac OS there. So on the downside here, we've got how to pair the different controllers with this wireless adapter, and that's pretty much it from the box. Let's take it out. I really like this design actually, because it is kind of the Mario theme style, the bricks, which is very nice. So if you see the design here, there's no seam at all, you cannot see anything, it's just one brick. But when you actually pull it on the top side of 8Bitdo here, it separates into a USB stick. And at the bottom you can see there's a pairing button here, which is the coin. Very nice. So thank you guys for watching. This is the unboxing video of 8Bitdo USB wireless adapter. I'll make another video of how to use this and how is the performance of this thing. I think so far it is a very good design. So yeah, give it a thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't like it. Don't forget to subscribe to see when a new video comes up. In the meantime, I'll try and use this first, see if it's any good. Catch you guys later. Bye. And the bottom of this thing, oh, I dropped it.